Control panel on the iPhone is really helpful and really useful for doing quick tasks. Getting to music settings, changing your brightness, volume, turning the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off and on, etc. But did you know you can make it more useful and more powerful? All you need to do is head to Settings and then Control Panel. And you'll see a list of things that are already on the control panel here. And you can move them around. You know, put your camera above the torch, whatever. But if you go down, you'll see a list of other things you can add. So you can change the text size, you can add a stopwatch, sound recognition, voice note, quick note, there you go, and wallet. Let's just give that a try for now. Now everything you've added will be down on the list here. And with a quick tap, get straight to your wallet. Or you can change the text size, start a stopwatch. Boom. If you've got any smart home devices as well, with AppleKit, you can show them there. I don't have any. When I go onto it, it just has a blank space. I think I've got the TV. I can go on and control the Apple TV, but that is about it. Right now, I've not got any smart devices set up. But here and here will be access to your home devices. Let me know which one of these would you add for quick access to your control panel.